In this tutorial we'll show you how to install the ESP32 board in Arduino IDE. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to File and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, locate the Additional Board Manager URLs field. Click on it to activate the text box. Add the following URL to the Additional Board Manager URLs field. This URL points to the package index file for the ESP32 boards. Click the OK button to save the changes. In the Boards Manager window, type ESP32 in the search bar. Click the Install button to start the installation process. This will download and install the ESP32 board package. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the ESP32 board package in the Arduino IDE. Now, connect the ESP32 to your computer using a micro USB cable. Then select the correct board, ESP32 Dev Module, by clicking on Tools. Board. ESP32. If your ESP32 is connected to the computer, you can choose the correct port by clicking on Tools then Port. Now, everything is ready to upload the code to the ESP32. Open the following example under File, Examples, Wi-Fi, ESP32, and Wi-Fi scan. A new sketch opens in your Arduino IDE. Press the Upload button in the Arduino IDE. Wait a few seconds while the code compiles and uploads to your board. Open Arduino IDE serial monitor at baud rate 115,200. Press the ESP32 onboard Enable button and you should see the networks available near your ESP32.